Market demand for vegetable salads keeps surging, and large-scale standardized production has become an industry trend. The one-stop, intelligent vegetable salad production line realizes full process automation of sorting, cutting, cleaning, dehydrating, proportioning, and packaging, efficiently locking freshness and nutrition for stable mass production of ready-to-eat salads. Cucumbers are lifted and sorted to remove defects. Bubble cleaning removes dust and residues. Vibration draining and flip air drying ensure thorough dryness for easy cutting. Automatic vegetable cutter precisely dices and cuts into uniform pieces. Manual ray inspection screens out defects to ensure ingredient quality. Cucumber slices are accurately weighed by 10-head combination weigher for standard quantification and uniform proportioning. Cabbage is manually destemmed and halved for uniform feeding, stable cutting, and no jamming. The cut leaves are neat and in good appearance. Cabbage is shredded after the same treatment and mixed with kale to enrich layers, balance nutrition, and achieve harmonious color. The Vortex washer uses swirling water to deeply clean sediment, insect eggs, and impurities in leaf gaps without damaging leaves. After 2 times of vibration draining and high-pressure washing, the cleaning is more thorough. Double-layer belts convey smoothly, feeding in layers without extrusion or pressing. The continuous dehydrator performs automatic and uniform dehydration to keep ingredients dry and fresh. Carrots are soaked and softened, then peeled by roller brushes with clean peeling, low loss and no damage to pulp. Cutting table centralizes waste collection for clean and efficient operation. Carrots are automatically shredded and diced with uniform specifications. After roller impurity removal, bubble cleaning, and gentle draining, they are clean, intact, and in good appearance. The centrifugal dehydrator dehydrates at high speed, achieving uniform dryness without breakage, which is good for mixing, packaging, and extending shelf life. 3 kinds of vegetables are accurately proportioned by 10 head weighers, automatically merged and discharged. And uniformly packaged by a vertical packaging machine to ensure standard weight, even proportion and stable quality for each portion. The metal detector detects metal foreign matters in real time and automatically rejects unqualified products to protect food safety throughout the procs. This production line runs directly from fields to tables. Fresh vegetables are locked in freshness and flavor with automatic proportioning and packaging. It is standard safe, labor-saving and efficient. Customization is supported. Welcome to Inquire.